Okay, so hey everybody. If you remember, OnePlus launched OnePlus Buds in the launch event of OnePlus 80. That is, they launched this product along with the OnePlus 80. So I had already posted unboxing video of OnePlus 80, and today we are going to unbox this OnePlus Buds, which is not color. That's what OnePlus calls, right? So this costs around 5,000 rupees. So we'll just unbox it. We'll see how are these. I'll give you my first impressions, right? So hello guys, this is Umang Jawar from Technology Orders. Let's begin. Okay, so this is the box as you can see, and at the front side if you see, it's clearly written OnePlus Buds Nord Blue. That means the color of this almost resembles with that of OnePlus Nord's color, right? So let's unbox this, right? One thing that we have to appreciate what OnePlus does is always the unboxing experience that OnePlus provides to its customers is always really very pretty good. Because I've also unboxed OnePlus 8T. I'm unboxing this OnePlus earbuds, right? And every time I unbox OnePlus products, it's really awesome. So I can say that in Android segment, I don't think there is any company that provides this good unboxing experience, right? So let's unbox this. Okay, so these are the earbuds as you can see, right? And let's keep this aside for some time. And so you get set your music free. Okay, that's it. They have also written something, enjoy your new buds, right? So okay, in this segment if you see, you get lot of documentation which is really not heavy. As you can see, lot of documentation which has every details about this OnePlus Buds, which I will be covering in my whole video. And inside you also get a C-type charging cable, which is really good because this supports fast charging. We'll be talking about everything in this video, don't worry about that, right? So let's keep this everything aside. Okay, so let's unwrap this. Okay, so these are the OnePlus Buds as you can see, right? Okay, so this is the OnePlus Buds Air, and this color is called Nord Blue because, as I said, this resembles with OnePlus Nord's color, right? So that's why this is called Nord Blue, and it is a little bit compact size. I mean, it's like smaller than my palm, and OnePlus has given to this a slight matte finish, rubbery touch, I would say, and it is plastic, no doubt. But if you can hear this, it's really good quality plastic used with this OnePlus Buds Air, right? And as everyone loves that clicking sound of the earbuds, let's test that clicking sound. This is really a nice clicking sound, as you see. And as soon as you open this, there is this LED notification light, if you can see it, right? So if this is in white and green, that means these are completely charged. You don't need to charge them, right? So let's take them out of the box, right? Okay, so these are the OnePlus Buds. Ooh, look at that color. Ooh, and if you see this, it's a very bright green color, a very young looking color, I would say. The color choice here is pretty much good that OnePlus has done, right? So these are the earbuds, and these are very light. If you see, there is a kind of CD reflection given with a green boundary, I would say, right? And let's just put them in the ears, right? So okay, so these are very pretty comfortable. Normally, you get soft buds, which makes these ear buds a lot more comfortable. But even these are a lot comfortable, and these are also, I mean, they fix in pretty well, and see, they won't fall, not at all. Even if you are running or jogging or working out, you will have no problems with these earbuds. So now let's just go forward and connect these. Okay, so the connectivity, if I talk about connectivity, it was very pretty fast. And as one important thing is that for activating these buds, you need to long press this button. If you can see, there's a small button here, right? So you need to long press, and this light from green, it will change to white. That means these buds are now ready to pair. And connectivity was pretty fast. I would say in less than 10 seconds, it got connected to the smartphone, right? So now talking about the features of this OnePlus Buds. Now this is a fully feature packed OnePlus Buds. Obviously it is priced at 5,000 rupees. So you ought to expect that a lot of features you have to get in it, right? So talking about features, you have an IPX4 rating. That means these will keep, even if some rain falls or any sweat falls, nothing will happen to these earbuds. You can enjoy them as long as you want, right? So you get IPX4 rating. You also get a 30-hour battery backup, including the case, right? And that's a very good thing here OnePlus has done. So full charge this case, take it anywhere you want. These will easily last from 3 to 4 days, that's for sure. And moreover, you also get fast charging. It is because of the C-type power cable that they have given, right? OnePlus claims that with 10 minutes of charge, you will get a battery backup of 10 hours. That is really a great thing that OnePlus has brought here, right? Talking about audio features, right? Obviously, you buy a TWS or neckband earphones, everything just for audio. That is your topmost priority, right? So talking about audio features, you get huge 13.4 mm drivers with it, right? You get 3 microphones, so that the conversation, or if you are talking on calls to anyone or attending video meetings, you have 3 microphones to get the best out of it, to get the best voice quality out of it. You also get environmental noise cancellation mic. That is also very one good thing. So if you are traveling somewhere with a lot of noise around you, activate that environmental cancellation. You won't hear even a single thing what is going around you, right? So it works pretty well in this OnePlus Buds, right? You also get gestures. That is, if you you can double tap to play, pause, change tracks, or also to activate Google Voice Assistant. And if you hold so this is the area of touch sensitivity, right? So if you hold this for 3 seconds, then you will be able to switch between different devices. Just to notice, I haven't said that, this comes with a multi-device support. That means you can connect to 3-4 devices at a time at a single stretch. That is one additional feature that you get. And if you long press for 5 seconds, then you can reject or accept incoming calls or ongoing calls as well. But one thing, if you have a OnePlus device, then you can change these controls as per your requirement, right? You can adjust the controls, you can change the functions. But if you don't have a OnePlus device, then you have to stick with the default controls that come with this. Okay, and one more good feature that you get with this is, as soon as you take this off your ear, right? So the music automatically stops, right? Okay, so I've been using these OnePlus Buds Air for almost 2 hours now, and let me tell you, the audio quality, I have called a lot of people and I've talked to them using this, and they didn't have even a single problem, like no disturbance. There was no disturbance. There was no distortion in sound. There was no. It was no. There was. I mean, it was not like my audio was a little lower than normally or something like that. So even the call quality was also pretty good. And mostly talking about audio experience, I mean, I have played games, I have listened a lot of music, I have also watched a little bit of YouTube videos, right? And nowhere this OnePlus Buds Air disappointed me. The bass you get, the treble, overall the audio mixture that you get from these are really satisfying, because obviously you are spending a 5,000 rupees there and you expect that the audio quality which you get should satisfy you. And if you are heading towards this, then that is sure that you won't have any disappointments or any regrets if you buy this, right? And one more thing I just forgot to tell you, that one important feature of this is, so these come with magnetic there are magnet fixed inside, so that if you it automatically attracts them. So that's a good protection feature that OnePlus has done here, right? So that was it in this video, everything about this OnePlus Buds Air, right? And if you like this video, please hit that like button, comment down if you have any suggestions or queries. One last thing, these OnePlus Buds have been provided by my friend Indivar. He also has a YouTube channel, so link will be given down. Please go and check out his channel, right? So we'll meet in the next video. Till that, stay safe, keep smiling.